Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mousse with cocoa powder. We'll cover the essential techniques to create a dessert that's both rich and incredibly light. The secret lies in carefully combining ingredients and incorporating air, which gives mousse its signature texture. You'll learn how to select the best cocoa and achieve that perfect balance of flavor and airiness, making a delightful treat for any occasion. Let's talk about the stars of our show, the ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder for that intense chocolate taste. Heavy cream, chilled and whipped to soft peaks, is crucial for volume and a luxurious mouthfeel. Egg yolks add richness and help stabilize the mousse, while granulated sugar balances the cocoa's slight bitterness, creating a harmonious flavor profile. Now for the magic, mixing and folding. First, create your chocolate base by whisking cocoa powder with a warm liquid and egg yolks. Once cooled slightly, the key is to gently fold in your whipped heavy cream or meringue. Use a spatula and a light hand, cutting through the center and folding over. This preserves the air, giving you that signature light and airy texture. Avoid overmixing at all costs. After all your hard work, it's time for the final steps, chilling and serving. Transfer your mousse into individual serving dishes or a large bowl. It needs to chill in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours or ideally overnight to fully set and develop its texture. When ready to serve, a simple garnish like fresh berries, a sprinkle of cocoa, or a few chocolate shavings elevates the presentation beautifully. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.